The Sony ZV-E10 II is a high-performance APS-C mirrorless camera specifically engineered for content creators, vloggers, and streamers. Released in July 2024, it serves as the successor to the original ZV-E10, bringing significant internal upgrades that bridge the gap between entry-level gear and professional cinema cameras. At its core, the camera features a 26.1-megapixel sensor and the powerful Bionz XR. Supports 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, which provides much more flexibility for color grading and prevents banding in shots like sunsets or skies. Includes S-Cinetone for beautiful skin tones and cinematic vlog settings to achieve a movie-like look instantly. Uses 759 phase detection points to track the eyes and bodies of humans, animals, and birds. Automatically shifts focus from the presenter's face to an object held up to the lens, making it ideal for reviewers. A dedicated button allows you to instantly switch between a sharp background and a professional blurred, bokeh, effect. The hardware has been redesigned to solve the battery and audio limitations of the previous model. It now uses the larger NP-FC100 battery, which roughly doubles the recording time compared to the original ZV-E10. It features a 3-capsule mic with selectable directivity, allowing you to prioritize audio from the front, rear, or all directions. The touchscreen menu automatically rotates to a vertical layout when the camera is turned, perfect for recording TikToks or Reels. It lacks mechanical in-body image stabilization, relying instead on active mode electronic stabilization. It uses an electronic shutter only. While this keeps the camera light, it can cause rolling shutter, slight distortion, during very fast pans. There is no electronic viewfinder, EVF, so all shooting must be done via the flip-out LCD screen. Unlike the previous model which struggled with crops, the Mark II shoots 4K/60p with a very small 1.1x crop. It oversamples from 5.6K, meaning the footage is incredibly sharp. It supports high bitrate recording, up to 600 megabits per second in some modes, which captures more data per frame for higher quality in complex moving scenes.